Burial, burial, burial is my school. Best education reservoir for young learners just like me. Burial, burial.
Good day, children, and how are you doing? You're welcome once again to another class on mathematics. Alright? The last time we had mathematics, our topic was on time. Alright? Where we looked at telling the time in hours, isn't it? And I believe you can tell the time in hours. Alright? Okay, today we are going to proceed to telling the time to quarter of and half past an hour. Remember I told you that we would be looking at the minute as of then, but today we are going to concentrate on the minutes. When we have quarter past, half past, and quarter to. All right. Using the face of my clock here, please, I want you to pay attention. We are starting with quarter to an hour. Alright, remember I told you last time that you tell the time using the long hand of the clock, which is the minute hand, and the short hand of the clock, which is the hour hand. Alright. In our last class, we discussed that when the long hand is directly on 12 or at 12, and the short hand is pointing at any of these numbers, that means that time, the time is that hour o'clock. Alright? So now we are going to be looking at quarter to an hour. When the long hand is on 9 and the short hand is at 5 as it is now, or getting to 5. This is quarter to 5. Quarter to 5. Alright? Quarter to is also 15 minutes to, because from here to 12 is 15 minutes. 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes to an hour, or 15 minutes before an hour. Whenever this hand is here, that means the time is 15 minutes to an hour. Alright, right now the short hand is about getting to 5, while the long hand is about getting to, while the long hand is at 9. So the time is quarter to 5. Quarter to what? 5, or 15 minutes to, or 15 minutes before 5, or 15 minutes, or quarter minutes to, quarter to 5. Alright? Know that if this hand keeps moving and gets to 12, you now have what? 5 o'clock. Alright? If it moves to 3, we have 15 minutes past what? 5. 5, 10, 15. Alright? 5, 10, 15. That is 15 minutes past 5. Or quarter past 5. Or what? Quarter past 5. When the long hand was here, the time was what? Quarter to 5. Alright? When it got to 5, it became 5 o'clock, and it moves to 3, we have quarter past, or quarter, or 15 minutes past 5. Alright? Alright, if it keeps moving till it gets to 9, what do we have? This is quarter to what? Quarter to 6, or 15 minutes to 6. If it gets to 12, we have what? 6 o'clock, isn't it? Right? If it moves to this side, this is 5 minutes past, 10 minutes past, this is 15 minutes past what? 6, or quarter past 6. Alright, if it keeps going, you have here, this is now quarter to. Quarter to what? The long hand is the short hand or the hour hand is getting to 7. So it's quarter to 7 or 15 minutes to 7. Alright? If it moves to 12, you now have what? This is what? 7 o'clock. Okay. If it keeps moving and gets to 3, what do we have now? 15 minutes or quarter past 7. Alright? If you take it to 9, or if it moves to 9, we now have what? Okay. We now have, must be at the tick dot there. Okay, let's leave it there. So now the shorthand is about getting to 8. That means the time is what? Quarter to 8, or 15 minutes to 8. Alright? If it moves to 12, we now have 8 o'clock. If it moves to 3, this is quarter past 3 or 15 minutes past 3. If it moves back to 9 again, this is quarter to 9 or 15 minutes to 9. If it gets to 12, 9 o'clock. If it gets to 3, quarter past 9. If we take it back to 9, we have quarter to 10. Alright? And if you move it to 12, we have 10 o'clock. If you take it to this side, to 3, you have 15 minutes or quarter past 10. And so on and so forth. Alright? Then, next we are going to look at half past an hour. Alright? We're going to look at half past an hour. Alright? When you find the long hand at 6 and the short hand pointing at or about getting to any number, you know that the time is past an hour. 30 minutes or half past an hour. If you find this long hand facing 6 and then the short one in between two numbers as it is now, this is 30 minutes or half past 10. Alright? This is 30 minutes past 10 or half past 10. We don't have anything like, there's nothing like 30 minutes to. Alright? You only have 29 minutes to. You don't have 30 minutes to. So you only have 30 minutes past an hour. As it is now, we have 30 minutes past 10. 30 minutes past what? 10. Alright? Like now, what do we have now? This is 12 o'clock, isn't it? 11 o'clock. If you move it to 3, what's the time? Quarter past 11 or 15 minutes past 11. If you take it to 6, what's this? This is half past 11 or 30 minutes past 11. Alright? If you move it to this side, what do we have there? Quarter to 12 or 15 minutes to 12. If you take it to 12, what's the time? 12 o'clock. And if you take it to 3, what do we have? Quarter past 12 or 15 minutes past 12. If you take it to 6, what do we have? Half past 12. Alright? If you take it to 9, you have 15 minutes or quarter to 1. And if you take it to 12, you have 1 o'clock. And to 3, quarter past 1. To 6, half past 1 or 30 minutes past 1, and so forth and so forth. Alright, so we are going to carry out a few examples for now on the board. Alright, there are some examples here for us to work. Example 1. What is the time? Looking at this time or the face of the clock, you discover that the long hand is pointing at 3, while the short hand is about leaving 6. So what is the time? That is quarter past what? 6. Alright? Time is what? Quarter past 6. The time is quarter past what? 6. Or 6:15. That is 15 minutes past 6. Alright? Moving to example 2. What is the time? Take a look at the face of this clock. The long hand is pointing at 9, while the short hand is about getting to 2. Alright? So what's the time? Remember just like what we did. Told you that whenever the long hand is pointing at 9, that is quarter to an hour. As of now, the short hand is about getting to 2, so that is quarter to 2. Alright? So the time is quarter to 2. Quarter to 2 or alright, let's take quarter to 2 so that I don't get confused. Looking at this one, what is the time? This is 30 minutes past. 30 minutes past what? 10. Because the short hand is about leaving 10 to get to 12 or 11. So the time is half past. It's half past what? 10. Half past 10 or 10:30. And it's 30 minutes past 10. Right? Looking at this other face of the clock, what is the time? Number 4. Time is quarter past what? 7. Quarter past 7. Alright, or 7:15. Number 5, what is the time? The long hand is pointing at 6. So the time is half past 4. Time is half past 4. Time is 4 or 4:30. Alright, 4 or 4:30. Alright, and then the last example here, what is the time? Look at the long hand, is at 9. And what is the time? That is 1:45. The short hand is about getting to what? 6. So it's 5:45. Is 5:45. Remember I told you that 5:45 means what? 15 minutes to 6. Alright? But let's stop there. Let's take this. Alright, with this we come to the end of another class on mathematics. But before I leave, please, I'm going to leave you with an assignment you are expected to do and submit to me on time during the week. Alright? Alright? Here is few assignments for you. Number 1, what is the time? All you need to do is look at the face of the clock here and tell me the time. You fill in the answer here. And then number 2, what is the time? You do the same thing, observe this, the face of this clock, look at the long hand and the short hand and tell me what the time is. And then number 3, what is the time? Alright? Tell me what the time is. Also number 4, what is the time? Alright, with this we come to the end of another class on mathematics. Thank you very much for your cooperation, and I advise you to stay safe and be obedient to your parents. Goodbye for now.